welcome to Cafe Elyse, and in this video we are going to be making a vanilla mug cake. So let's jump right in. So let me just introduce some of my ingredients here. So on this little saucer I've got a pinch of salt, 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now for my liquids, I've got a tablespoon of oil, and I've also got a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, of milk. So now let's put all the ingredients together to form this cake here. So in a mug greased with butter, we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we're going to add our sugar, but let me just put all these in here and I'll be right back. Alright, so guys, we are making a vanilla cake, but if you want, you can always add about 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder to make it a chocolate cake, and a little bit more sugar since the cocoa powder is, of course, bitter. So now back here, we're going to mix all of our ingredients together just briefly. Okay, and then we're going to add our wet ingredients. So here I've got the oil that I'm going to add in, my milk, the milk, and some vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna eyeball this, but you need to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And of course you can always use organic baker's extract as well. There's no problem using that. It really doesn't matter, but I'm just using vanilla. Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon of that. Alright, so now I'm gonna mix this together and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so after mixing it, I found that it was a little bit on the thicker side, so I added literally a tablespoon more milk, mixed it up, and this is the result. It's a little brown because of the vanilla extract, but that's alright. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chocolate chips. So just add some of those on top. So they don't have to be placed perfectly because this is a little treat just for you. Alright, so I'm just adding a few on top. And it's up to you whether you want to let them rest on top or if you want to mix it together. But I'm going to leave mine on top and I'll come back. I'll put this in the microwave and I'll come back. You want to cook it for about 1 minute and 30 seconds depending on your microwave, but I'm going to cook it for about 1 minute or so and I'll come back and show you guys the result. Alright, so after letting it cook for 1 minute, it's ready to enjoy. So let's try it together. Alright, so let's go. Has so much flavor. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe in this video, and I hope that it was helpful. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And by the way, just a reminder, these videos are very so these videos are very kid friendly, and you can even, try them out with your kids and let me know how it turned out in the comments section down below. So thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!